In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make cool looking handles, like these. Hi, Marie here from Pottery Crafters, giving you tips, tools, and techniques to help you make beautiful pottery. When I started making mugs, I was actually afraid to make handles. My mugs had no handles. Did yours? This is what I ended up with when I pulled my handles. I didn't make them quite thick enough. I like the extruder on the wall, but I'm not making 50 mugs at a time. Plus, it was a little hard for me to use. This is exactly what I needed. Mine is the Super Duper Clay Extruder from Scott Creek Pottery. Kemper and Shimpo also carry their own versions of the handheld extruder. It's a great helper for beginners or anyone that's not that good at making handles. This one included a 1/2-inch coil die and 2 blank dies, which I made 2 smaller coils with, and bought a set of 8 handle molds. You can choose from many different dies and make your own. It's great. This little baby holds over 1.5 pounds of clay and can make up to a dozen handles at a time. Let's make some handles. These are the patterns that the dies make. If you would like a handle for a cup, it's a smaller handle. If you'd like a larger mug handle, this one's a nice one. You can be creative and make all different patterns. This is how easy it is to make a cool handle. Take some nice, soft, well-wedged clay, your extruder, and pick out a die. Now, hold the top handle, press the release button, and pull the plunger back. That's how easy it is. Untwist the cap. Make sure your clay is a little smaller than the tube and slide the clay right into the tube. I like to have a little clay left over to stick my die on. Choose your die. Twist the cap back on. Make sure you don't twist it too tight because it'll be hard to actually open up again. Make sure your extruder is vertical because that helps to stop the clay from curling as you're bumping your handle out. What you have to do is press the handle, and here we go. See, it started to curl right there. All you have to do is straighten it out with your finger and continue to press down. I think that's a good size for a handle. Just take your finger and pull it off. And there's a cool handle. Make another. It starts to curl. Straighten it out. Another cool handle. Now, if you want to be creative and make another handle in a different way, just unscrew the top, push the die out, select another die, Place it right on top of the clay. Twist your cap. You're ready to go again. Press your handle. There's another cool handle you can make. That's how easy it is to make a cool handle. These are some handles that I just finished. This one has been bisqued already. It's actually two different patterns together. I love the great patterns you can make with these handles. Makes it so creative, so beautiful. Adds just something extra to your cup or your mug. On this one, I actually used this die, and I used it for the top also. Then I used this die for the top of this jar. Can be creative. There's another one I put together. Gave it a little twist. Here are just a few of my finished handles. I love the decorative choices you get with the handheld extruder. Now your mugs don't have to be hard to make or have no handles at all. You can make handles like a pro, plus save a lot of time. How do you make your handles? What are your favorite handles? Let me know in the comments section below and click that subscribe button. Also in the comments section are more show notes and pottery making info. Click here to go to my other video about attaching handles to the mugs in 5 easy steps. And keep making that beautiful pottery.